In the fast-paced world of process and discrete manufacturing, maintaining a competitive edge is the key to success. And today, I want to introduce to you a game-changing solution that will revolutionize how you navigate the challenges ahead. Welcome to Yordas Group Global Monitoring, your ultimate partner in global chemical regulatory horizon scanning. You see, in this rapidly evolving landscape, organizations like yours face numerous obstacles that can impact your reputation, product compliance, and liability. But with Yordas Global Monitoring, you'll have the power to proactively address these challenges head-on. Imagine having a team of experts who tirelessly gather information from various sources, from technological advancements to regulatory developments, economic trends to social shifts, and everything in between. Our cutting-edge technology and expertise leave no stone unturned, ensuring that you're always one step ahead. But we don't stop at gathering data. Our team of specialists takes that wealth of information and meticulously analyzes and evaluates it. We uncover emerging patterns, anomalies, and signals of change that could impact your business in profound ways. With Yordas Global Monitoring, you'll never miss a beat. By embracing Yordas Global Monitoring, you unlock a world of benefits for your organization. First and foremost, the ability to safeguard your reputation. We understand that your brand's image and customer trust are invaluable assets. Our horizon scanning services help you identify potential risks before they escalate, so you can protect your reputation and maintain the trust of your valued customers. Secondly, ensure unwavering product compliance. The regulatory landscape surrounding chemical manufacturing is constantly evolving. With Yordas Global Monitoring, you gain the ability to anticipate these changes, adapt your processes, and ensure compliance. Say goodbye to costly penalties and disruptions, and say hello to peace of mind. Lastly, mitigate liability risks. Let's face it, the consequences of legal and financial liabilities can be severe. But with Yordas Global Monitoring, you're equipped to proactively address potential issues before they become liabilities. Stay one step ahead, ensuring your organization's stability and success. At Yordas Group, we believe in empowering businesses like yours to thrive in today's dynamic environment. Our expertise in global chemical regulatory horizon scanning allows us to provide you with invaluable insights, enabling you to identify new market opportunities, adapt to changing regulations, and outperform your competitors. Don't wait for the future to happen. Shape it with Yordas Global Monitoring. Visit our website today at www.yordasgroup.com to learn more and embark on your horizon scanning journey today.